The Stoicism of Trial and Error in 3D, a guide to motivation, practice, and exploration.
Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a fascinating topic that blends ancient philosophy with modern technology, the Stoicism of Trial and Error in 3D. This comprehensive guide will explore how you can apply Stoic principles to the process of trial and error, especially within the realm of 3D modeling and design. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional, understanding this approach can transform your workflow, enhance your creativity, and boost your motivation. Let's get started. The foundations of Stoicism.
Stoicism is an ancient Greek philosophy founded in the early 3rd century BC by Zeno of Citium. At its core, Stoicism teaches the development of self-control and fortitude as a means to overcome destructive emotions. The philosophy asserts that virtues such as wisdom, happiness, and judgment should be based on behavior rather than words. Stoics believe that we don't control and cannot rely on external events, only ourselves and our responses. Key principles of Stoicism include dichotomy of control. Focus on what you can control and accept what you cannot.
Practical wisdom. Make decisions based on reason and logic.
Virtue and character. Cultivate virtues like courage, justice, and temperance.
Mindfulness of the present. Live in the moment and appreciate the present.
The trial and error. A powerful learning method. Trial and error is a fundamental method of solving problems. It involves testing various methods and learning from the mistakes to eventually find a successful solution. This process is iterative, meaning it requires repeated cycles of testing and adjusting.
In the context of 3D modeling and design, trial and error might involve experimenting with different modeling techniques,
adjusting parameters and settings to achieve the desired effect, iterating on designs based on feedback and performance,
integrating Stoicism with trial and error in 3D. When we combine the philosophy of Stoicism with the method of trial and error, we create a powerful framework for learning and growth in the field of 3D design. Here's how these concepts intertwine.
Embrace the process. Understand that failure is an integral part of learning. Each mistake is an opportunity to grow and improve. Stoicism teaches us to remain calm and composed in the face of setbacks. Apply this by not getting discouraged when your 3D models don't turn out as expected on the first try. Focus on what you can control. In 3D design, you have a control over your effort, attitude, and how you respond to challenges. You can't always control the outcome of an experiment, but you can control how you approach the next iteration.
Learn from each iteration. Practical wisdom in Stoicism encourages us to make decisions based on logic and evidence. After each trial, analyze what went wrong and why. Use this knowledge to inform your next attempt. This rational approach will help you refine your techniques and improve your results over time. Cultivate patience and perseverance. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of patience and resilience. In 3D modeling, complex projects often take time and many revisions. Developing a Stoic mindset will help you remain patient and persistent even when progress seems slow.
Mindfulness and presence. Being present and fully engaged with your work can significantly enhance your creativity and efficiency. Stoicism encourages mindfulness, which you can apply by focusing deeply on your current task, whether it's sculpting a model, texturing, or lighting a scene.
Practical steps to apply Stoicism in trial and error in 3D. Set clear goals. Define what you want to achieve with your 3D project. Clear goals will give you direction and purpose. Break down the process. Divide your project into manageable tasks. This makes the process less overwhelming and allows you to focus on one step at a time. Experiment freely. Don't be afraid to try new techniques or tools. The more you experiment, the more you learn. Reflect and adjust. After each attempt, take time to reflect on what worked and what didn't. Make necessary adjustments and try again. Seek feedback. Share your work with others and seek constructive feedback. Different perspectives can provide valuable insights and help you improve. Maintain a positive mindset. Keep a positive attitude even when facing difficulties. Remember that each failure brings you closer to success. By integrating the principles of Stoicism with the trial and error method, you can enhance your motivation, improve your practice, and explore new creative horizons in 3D design. Embrace the process, focus on what you can control, and learn from each iteration. With patience and perseverance, you'll not only become a better 3D artist, but also develop a resilient and growth-oriented mindset. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who might benefit. We'd love to hear how you apply these principles in your own work, so leave a comment below. Remember, with each iteration, you're not just designing in 3D, you're sculpting your own growth. For exclusive 3D assets and to support my work, check out the links to my Patreon and Gumroad in the description box. Keep creating and stay resilient. This is Jupiter Machine, signing off.